Hello students, today's video is going to be very interesting because we discuss some important parts of this exercise. So let's come and join. Okay, so question is number 3. If star be an operation on Z, define as A star B equal A plus B plus 1. For every AB belongs to Z, then prove that it is commutative or associative, find its identity element and also find the inverse in Z. So students, you can solve this question very well because we have solved a lot of questions regarding commutative and associative, but after it we are solving this question. So I think you are having not any problem regarding commutative and associative, but okay, it's not a matter. Now we are again solving commutative. Now first is commutative. When we are saying about the Z is the positive, negative, 0, all the values are having Z. And when we are saying about the A star B means A plus B plus 1, this is the operation. This is the operation A star B equal A plus B plus 1. Okay, and we have to prove that what is this is commutative or not. So this is commutative or not. When we are saying about the commutative means A star B equal B star A shows the rules of commutativity. So when we are saying about commutative, A star B equal B star A, and the value of A star B means we put A plus B plus 1, and B star A means B plus A plus 1. Students, we are thinking that this is a very simple question. When we are saying about this question, A plus B plus 1 and B plus A plus 1 both are looks like equal, means LHS equal to RHS. So we can say that it is commutative. So it is commutative. Now next one is associative. When we are saying about associative, what happened? A star B star C equal A star B star C, and it here. This is the associative rule. A star B equal A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. So when we are saying about A star B star C, A star B star C means A plus B plus 1 star C. A star B means just put the value from here, A plus B plus 1 at here. So A plus B plus 1 is there, and here is the C. So A plus B plus 1 star C, and it is A, and B star C means B plus C plus 1. B star C means B plus C plus 1. Okay, now this is the value of A and this is the value of B. This is the value of A and this is value of B. So if it is a value of A, put it here E, means A means A plus B plus 1. A plus B plus 1. This is the value of A. Okay. A plus B plus 1. This is the A plus B. B means C. Okay. This is the A and this is the B. So A plus B plus 1 plus C plus 1. Okay. Equal. This is the value of A means A. And this is the value of B means B plus C plus 1 plus 1. So this is the A plus B plus C plus 2. This is the A plus B plus C plus 2. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. So guys, this is the answer. This is the commutative and associative. Now some different things are there. In previous classes I already told you that this question is going to be more interesting because there are two more parts, that is identity element and inverse element. So this question is going to be more important than other questions. So when we are saying about the boards, this is very important question regarding board classes. So you have to solve this question very well. Okay, now next topic is identity. identity element. Okay, what is the identity element? When we are saying about the identity element, how can we find the identity element? What is the rule of identity element? Do you know? You don't know? Okay, so if you know what is the identity element, you know very well that when we are saying about the A star equal A, so it is identity. Maybe useful E star A equal A. It depends on you, whatever part you like to take on. Okay, so A star equal A means A. The value of A means, look at here. A star B plus 1, A star E equal A means it is the A plus E plus 1, A plus E plus 1 equal A. So A is cancelled by A. What is the value of E? E means minus 1. So identity element is equal minus 1. So what is the answer? Answer is identity is minus 1. Okay, so next one is inverse. How can we find inverse? And what is the rule of inverse? Inverse means A star B equal E. But we know the value of E. We don't know. So A star B, what is the value of A star B? A star B means A plus B plus 1 and the value of E means minus 1. So A plus B equal minus 2, B equal minus 2 minus A. So B equal minus 2 plus A is the inverse of this question. So inverse of this is minus bracket में 2 plus A. So this is the inverse element and this is the identity element. Okay students, so this question is finished. Okay, so this question is finished. If you like, then you can write here belongs to Z and belongs to Z. This is a commutative and this is a, we have to prove commutative and associative firstly. So now we are going to solve this question. Okay, so number one is commutative. When we are saying about a commutative, you know very well that A star B equal B star A. A star B equal B star A. Value of A star B means A plus B minus AB, and the value of B star A means B plus A minus BA. So you know that this is the LHS and this is the RHS, both are same. So LHS equal RHS, so it is commutative. So it is commutative. Now now next one is associative. Next one is associative. How can we solve associativity? If you have to solve associative, then A star B star C equal A star B star C. So there is the A star B and it is the firstly use bracket in A star B and after it use bracket in B star C. So there are two parts, LHS and it is RHS. Okay, so A star B means what is the value of A star B? When we are saying about the A star B, we can write here A plus B minus AB. Okay, so A plus B minus AB. This is the value of A star B and multiply by star C equal value of A means A and B star C means B star C. Put here B and C. So here is the B plus C minus BC. Okay. Now this is the value of A and this is the value of B. This is the value of A and this is the value of B. Value of A means this is the value of A means A plus B minus AB plus B means C minus A means A plus B minus AB multiply by B means C equal A star B plus C minus BC. A means A, B means B plus C minus BC, minus A means minus A, and the value of B means B plus C minus BC. Okay. Now this is the A plus B minus AB means A plus B plus C minus AB minus AC minus AC minus BC plus ABC equal A plus B plus C minus BC minus AB minus AC plus ABC. Look at here, A plus B plus C is there, here A plus B plus C. There is the minus AB, there is the minus AB, there is the minus AC, there is the minus AC, there is the minus BC, there is minus BC, and here is the A plus B plus C, and here is also A plus B plus C. So we can say that LHS equal RHS. So we can say that LHS equal RHS. So it is associative. So it is associative. So students, it is associative. Now comes on important part of discussion, that is identity element and inverse element. Identity element and inverse element. Okay. So students, what is the identity? What is the identity element? When we are saying about the identity, what is the identity? When we are saying about the identity, we can say that A star E equal A. Am I right now? A star E equal A. If A star equal A is the identity, so this is the value of A and this is the value of B. So if value of A and this is the value of B, put here A and E. So there is the A plus E minus AE. So here is the A plus E minus AE equal A. So A is cancelled by A, E 1 minus A equal 0. So E equal 0 upon 1 minus A means 0. So E equal 0 is the identity element. So E equal 0 is the identity element. Now we are going to discuss about the inverse. So okay, this is sufficient space for inverse. Inverse means A star B equal E. Inverse means A star B equal E. So A plus B minus AB, and the value of A is 0. Okay, from here. So B minus AB equal minus A. So B is the common, 1 minus A equal minus A. So B equal minus A upon 1 minus A. So B equal A upon A minus 1 belongs to R minus 1, because we have to find R minus 1, there is 1 is there, So this belongs B equal A upon A minus 1 is the inverse element of this. So inverse of A means B means A equal A minus 1 is the inverse of this question. And also find identity and inverse of identity and inverse. So students, this is question number 6. This is question number 5. So this is question number 5, and I think this is the last question of this exercise. So we have started from question number 1 and this is question number 5. So today we are completed this exercise. So 4 functions are defined as on set R0 such that f1x equal x, f2x equal minus x, f3x equal 1 upon x, f4x equal minus 1 upon x. Construct a composition table, and we have to make the values, and we have to solve this question. So firstly, we are going to discuss a table, that is composition table, and by this composition table we solve all the things. It here f1, f2, f3, f4, and here is f1, f2, f3, f4. It is some small brackets is there. Do something large. So now it is sufficient. F4, now start the binary operation. Now we have to find this is the f1 o f1, f1 o f2, f1 o f3, f1 4 f1 o f4. So this is f1 o f1, f1 o f2, f1 o f3, f1 o f4. Okay students, now this is f2 o f2, f2 o f1, f2 o f2, f2 o f3, f2 o f4. Next one is f3 o f1, f3 o f2, f3 o f3, f3 o f4. Now next one is f4 o f1, f4 o f2, f4 o f3, f4 o f4. So we have to find f1 o f1, f1 o f2, f1 o f3, f1 o f4, and by like this we have to find all the values. So we have to create a composition table by this. So first one is f1 o f1 means f1, and here is the f1x. So this is the f1 and this is f1x. So the value of f1 and f1x is x. So we can say that f1x values is x. So this is the value of f1. So we can say that value of this is f1 o f1 is f1. Okay, next one is F1O F2. F1O F2 F1 in bracket F2x. The value of F2x means minus x, and here is the F1 minus x means F1 minus x means minus x, so it is minus x, so it is minus F2, so it is minus x, and minus x is F2, so we can write here F2. Next one, F1O F3. F1O F3 means F1 in bracket F3x, means F1 and value of F3x is 1 upon x. F3x means 1 upon x, and it is value of F1x means F1x equal x, so we can write here 1 upon x. So 1 upon x value is F3, so we can write here F3. Okay, next one is F1O F4 means F1 in bracket F4x, so it is F1 and the value of F4x is F4x means minus 1 upon x, and it is minus 1 upon x, so it is the value of F4, so we can write here F4. Same way we can find all others values. So I think, may I clear this board? Next one is F2O F1 means F2 in bracket F1x means it is F2, and the value of F1x means F1x minus x, value of F1x means x, and F2x means minus x, so it is minus F2, it is value of F2, so we can write here F2. Same here is the F1, F2, F3, F4, you can easily going F1, F2, F3, F4. Okay, next one is F2O F2. F2O F2 F2, and here is the F2x means F2, the value of F2x means minus x, and it is F2x means 8 here, so this is the x, so F2 minus x equal x, so value of F2x means x means this is F1, so it is F1, so if it is F2 it is F1. Now F2O F3, F2O F3, F2 F3x means F2, value of F3x means 1 upon x, F2x means 1 upon x, so value of F2x means minus 1 upon x, and the value of minus 1 upon x means this is the value of F4, so this is F2, F1, F4, and here is the F3. Okay, so next one is Next one is F3. Now F3O F4, F3O F4, F3O F4 means F3O F2 means F3 bracket F2x. F2x means F3 and value of F2x means minus x. F2x means minus x and the value of F3 minus x means 8 here, so it is minus 1 upon x means it is F4. So it is the value of F4. So we can write here F3 and it is the value of F3 and it is value of F4. So next one is F1 and it is F2. So same way the values of it is F4, it is F3, it is F4, F3, F2 and F1. So you can find there are a lot of values, so you can find like this other values. So it is the O and this is operation. Now this is your composition table. This is, there is the F1 and here is the F1 and here is the F1 and here is the F1. Means on diagonal side when we are just running, we are thinking that there is the F1, 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 F1. So this table is symmetric along F1 means here F2, F2, F3, F3. This is symmetric to F1 diagonal and main diagonal. This is symmetric main diagonal. So identity element is F1. So identity element is F1. Now question arises, what is inverse? Inverse. What is the inverse? Look at here, F1's, it is here F1. So F1's inverse is F1, F2's inverse is F2, F3's inverse to F3, F4's inverse is F4. So we can say that inverse of the element F1, F2, F3, F4 is itself, means F1, F2, F3, F4. The answer. So this is the answer. So it's sufficient for today's students. We meet in next videos. Till that, just do the social distancing and follow the government's rules. And this is a lockdown study, so study more and more for your future. Bye bye.